As word spread of what happened Sunday at the Dallas Zoo, many couldn't decide what was worse, that a lion killed one of its own or that dozens of families saw it happen.
First you think they're playing, and then you realize he's killing her, and you're watching it and you just can't believe your eyes what's happening.
Michael Henshaw and Jim Harvey were at the exhibit around 2:15, and inside they saw 2 lions and 1 lioness, 5-year-old Johari. They describe an attack that seemed to start innocently.
Male lion that started it just had his mouth over her throat, and everybody thought they were playing at first, but then they could see she was struggling.
Dylan Parker was also in that horrified crowd.
He just laid beside her and just held her by the neck for a good 10 minutes, just holding it there, waiting until it quit moving.
In this video captured by another witness, you can see the aftermath. But at that time, and now hours later, the Dallas Zoo still has no idea how this happened.
We really don't.
Lynn Kramer is the vice president of animal operations and says the 3 animals involved were all born in captivity. They have been together in Dallas every day for the last 3 years.
We've had, a few incidents of some rough play, but nothing out of the ordinary.
Even in the wild, lions and prides rarely, if ever, turn on each other.
I've been in the zoo business for over 35 years. I've worked in 5 major zoos, and I've never seen a cat kill another cat before.
Zoo staff say we may never know why, but the families who witnessed this animal's end will